Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining how you can install Amazon Shopping on your mobile device, so let's get right into it. But before I do, as you've probably noticed, I am on my PC right now. I am going to be using the PC to do this tutorial since my software on my phone for recording is a bit buggy at the moment, and this is just very simple for me. I should explain everything pretty much as well as I would on the mobile phone, so just bear with me. However, as you can see, I'm logged into Amazon, have my account and everything, so on and so forth. So this won't be of any use to us since this is on the PC. However, to install Amazon Shopping, what you want to do is go to the Play Store if you're on Android, the App Store if you're on iOS, and whatever your operating system's personal or whatever you want to call it, specific app store thing is. Just go there and then go to Amazon Shopping. Just search for Amazon Shopping on the Play Store. I think that I seem to have lost the link, Google Play, but let's say use Google Play as an example. As you can see, here's Amazon Shopping. You will be met with a similar looking page. Of course, it won't be the same since it'll be on mobile. Just click install and it should install to your device just as any other application. As I've said, Play Store for Android, App Store for iOS. I don't know what it is for Huawei phones. And yeah, just install it and it should install just perfectly fine. Then go ahead and log in and everything should be absolutely good. And Amazon Shopping will be installed to your device. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.